Welcome, beautiful people. Welcome to my returning subscribers. Yes, welcome to another interesting, educating, and beautiful hairstyle tutorial. This is your first time in this channel. I am happy you are here. My name is Oluwatosin. I just got my hair trimmed. Now, we'll be needing a rubber band. A small air rubber band for this hairstyle. You lubricate the rubber band with little oil, little drop of oil or drops of oil, depending on how much rubber band you want to use for the style. And the purpose of lubricating your rubber band is to avoid breakage with your hair, avoid it tangling with your hair. So I just had to take that part out so that I will be able to braid it. I saw this hairstyle trending somewhere online with a long medium hair, so I decided to try it on my short hair and see how it goes. But eventually, what I saw online did not work for my hair, perhaps because my hair is short. So this is what I did with this first one you see me attempting. I braided the hair from the roots and I secured it with the rubber band. Now to the other process, so the next step I saw online. You had to just take it and wrap it around. So I didn't get what I wanted, so I did it off the camera to practice it and see if another method could work for this, and it eventually worked. Yes, it eventually worked. You could see how the puff came out nice for the first part I did. So let me show you how I did this so that you can as well achieve this hairstyle with your short natural hair. I have told you this channel is for us to grow together, grow our short hair to long hair to our desired length. So do not let your short hair discourage you from making any certain hairstyle. You can find your way around it. So for this hairstyle, simply braid it from the base of your hair, the root of your hair, to whichever place a little bit past halfway the length of your hair, and secure it with the lubricated hair rubber band. This is what I was doing here. So this is where the little trick comes in. You should twist the tip of the hair, the remains of the hair, just a little. Twist the end of the hair a little, twist it well, twist it, and you will do something with that twisted tip. You tuck it in into the puff. Tuck it in well, make it bounce, and you have the look. Can you see that? Look at the first and the second. So this is just the little trick I got to use for this, because I was like, I want to make this hairstyle, so my hair will stop me from making it. And I got this inspiration to make it this way, and it came out nice. So you can make it with a short hair as well. It's just a simple, how many steps? 2 or 3 steps. Braid your hair from the root. Braid it a little past halfway of your hair length. Braid it well, either tightly braided or a little tight braid. Secure the remains of that braid with your lubricated rubber band, your lubricated small hair rubber band. If you want to make yours colorful, you want to make it more colorful, you can use the colored rubber band, but I prefer to use this black rubber band. Now, the next step, which is the step 2, the first one is to braid, the second one is to secure it with the rubber band, the third one is to twist the tip of the hair, just a little distance, a little gap twist. Twist it well, tuck the twist into the puff. Make it tucked well. Adjust the puff, adjust it until you get your desired puff. And this went all the way to the remains of the hair. This is what I did all over my head, and I got the hairstyle done. Now quickly, let's talk about the health tip for this video. Do you know that there are some spices that when you take them internally helps in hair growth? It does not only help your body, it helps generally both on your body and on your hair growth. Herbs like the turmeric, herbs like the curry, herbs like the spices, like mint spices, you can make them into spices to make your meal. The cloves and so on. I have another video on that. Do not forget to subscribe if you have not, so that you will not miss out on that video. And if you have subscribed, do not forget to turn on your notification so that you'll be notified when I upload that video, and you will learn all the herbs that you can make into spices to boost your overall health and your hair growth. And this is the hairstyle. You can have this hairstyle for your photo shoot and you are good to go. This hairstyle looks beautiful. Look at it. You can accessorize your own. Thank you and God bless.